and let's use emoji buttons here. How does your team feel about change? So use your emojis. So it could be if you're a business owner or you're a very senior leader, it could be the whole organization. But even if you're a senior leader, can I suggest, I'm talking about your direct reports. How do they feel about change? Okay, positive, good. Good. Great to see so many people are positive about it. Let me ask you another question. Without looking it up, has anyone heard of the IKEA effect? It's this term was coined by behavioural economist Dan Ariely, and he's talking about people and people adopting ideas. Okay, so what do you think the IKEA effect is? And I'm more than happy to take your guesses here, even if you don't know, and even if you get it wrong, it doesn't matter. Okay, let me tell you what Dan Ariely says. So he's a behavioral economist, and he says that we're rational and predictably rational. So given Tony, you've got the right answer, and a couple of people have as well. So people value what they build themselves. So Dan Ariely says that when people are involved in the solution to a problem or the service that you're providing them, they value it more. Okay, and he's done some research into this, which I won't go into. But the idea is, like, the reason we love our wobbly IKEA bookcase is because we put it together. Okay, so we feel we're part of it. And this is so true in the things that you're doing in your workplace as well. So this is why these strategic, top-level, hierarchical command and control ideas about digital transformation, AI transformation, mergers and acquisitions, all of those sort of things that say, this is the way we're going to do it, they just don't work very well. They very, very rarely work. What you want is, you want to have the IKEA effect. You want people involved in that journey. And that means that as much as possible, let's take AI as an example here, but this is culture in general. You have top-down, where you have policies and guardrails and guidelines and education, but you also have bottom-up, people coming up with their own ideas and sharing them.